Guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today I will tell you that how we do the pen and ink art. Can you all are excited guys to learn pen and ink art? I'm also taking the classes of pen and ink art. I like it, and today I will make a video for you all that how to do the pen and ink art. So let's start it. Let's begin on the material. We will need basic stationery. This is a basic stationery is pencil, rubber, and gel, or maybe ball pen, or maybe gel pen. If it's your choice, you will take gel pen or ball pen. I will take gel pen. Okay, so let's start it. Whenever you will draw these flowers, we will do the pen and ink art of the flowers. Can you know what is the unique thing in the pen and ink art? There are the forms. There are the forms in the this pen and ink art, and I will do what is the form of the pen and ink art. Okay. Yes, guys. Can you see? Wait. See, guys. This is my gel pen, and it's your choice. You will take gel or ball. There are the forms in the pen and ink art. In this flower, we do the forms of the pen and ink art. Can you know what is the form of it is unique the form in pen and ink art? There is the unique, and in this flower we will do the stippling and line rendering. Can you know what is stippling? This is stippling. See, dot 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 dot. Can you see this? This is called stippling. This is called stippling. And the second is line rendering. Can you know what is line rendering? This is line rendering. Line rendering. These are the two forms. Can you know? This is so interesting. This is line rendering and this is stippling. So let's start it. So I will bought my drawing. Now I will take my pen. Yes, guys. Now wait a minute. Yes, guys. Can you see this drawing? I will take my pen and I will do. First you will draw this drawing. I will see this is drawing, and you will draw with the pencil, because the difference between pen and pencil is we rub pencil but we can't rub pen. So this is the main thing. Let's start it. Yeah. So see guys, I have done this flower. Now I will do this flower. Can you see this flower? We will draw two leaves because this is small flower, and I will draw the only one leaf because the space is maximum in the sheet. It is your choice. You will take A4 size sheet or A4 a square. You will cut if you have a if you are comfortable in the A4 size sheet, so you take A4 size sheet. If you are not comfortable, so you will cut from here only. The sheet will make in the square shape. but I have comfortable in A4 size sheet, so I will make in A4 size sheets. Let's make. It's so interesting. See guys, I will done my both flowers. You can see this. Yes guys. Now I will rub the pencil mark. Can you see this pencil mark? So I will rub this pencil mark here. Yes. See guys, there is no shown pencil mark. See guys, now we will do this. Yeah, first we do the petals of the flowers. Can you know how do we do the petals of the flower? We will use here stippling. Can you see? I have tell what is stippling. See, I will tell you now. We will use, so in petals we will use stippling and line reading both. Can you know what is stippling? I will tell you once again. This is stippling. Yes, so now we will do here stippling in the petals. Left side we will do line rendering and right side we will do stippling. Yeah, let's do stippling. Oh, it's your choice. You will do left side or right side. I will do stippling right side. Can you hear the sound of the pen? Thuk, 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 thuk. Yes. And guys, the main is you will left some space for the line rendering. Okay. I will done. Yes. This pattern I will done also. Like this stippling you have to do in the all the petals of this flower and of this flower. Okay, you see guys, I will done stippling here. Now I will do line rendering. Yes, right side I will do line rendering and left side I will do left side I will do line rendering and right side I will do stippling. Okay, I will tell you what is stippling. I will tell you. See, this is stippling and this is line rendering. This you put lines here, yeah, and this is the same way that I have to do in the petals. Put some space here. And please guys, just make sure that your gel pen or ball pen don't leak, because my pen is leaking, so that's why my drawing is. Just don't mix stippling and line rendering. like this way. Like this way you have to do in all the petals of the flower. See guys, I will done my line rendering also and stippling also. And now you are thinking what we do in this. You have to, and we have to do in this. What you have to do in this? We have to do in this stippling here. Yeah, just put dot 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 dot. I will tell you again, just do properly and slowly, just don't rush in the drawing. Yeah, so your drawing will be looking not good. Okay, so I will do, just don't mash up your drawing, so your drawing will be not looking good. The sound of pen is thak 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 thak. Yes, you will also hear the same. See guys, this is done. I will do done stippling here. Now we have to do here. Can you see? Stamp of the flower. Yeah. Now we will do here line rendering. You will know now what is line rendering. Can you know what you will know now what is line rendering? This is line rendering. See, this is. So now we will do line rendering like that. Can you see? Like this? Okay. Now we will do. We can't fill up full flower, full stem, only little bit. Just don't dark. Can you see me? Can you see this? Just don't dark the stem. And here, leaves, we also do line rendering. Yeah, this, like this. See? See guys, now my flower is completed here. Now this is the time of the do second flower. Yes, let's start it. Now we will do from here start. Like this you have to do here also. So I will done this stippling here. Here I will done stippling. Now here I will do line rendering this way, like this way. See, and this leaf you have to do like this, line rendering. Yeah. See, our stamp and leaf is ready. Now we will do the petals like this. You will see, first we will do stippling, after that we will do line rendering. Yeah. Like this you have to do. And I will tell again, in this flower you can't mash up. Just don't mash up your drawing. Just put some space left here, so to make a line rendering here. Yeah, this. Okay, let's do. See guys, I've done stippling and line rendering here. Now this is last thing. Can you see this? This. So finally our drawing is completed. Yes, see guys, it's looking beautiful, gorgeous. Yeah. See, now we will just this is a blank space. Yeah, now just write your name here. I will put my name here, and you will write here pan and ink art. Can you write pan and ink art? Your flowers. Some decoration here. See guys, so finally our drawing is completed. If you like my and so guys, if you like this drawing, so for this drawing you will like my video, please. Can you like my video? And please subscribe my video. Okay, so if you subscribe my channel, so you will get these notifications of these notification this of drawing of so many things. Okay guys, you will also try, please.